Right, today we're going to attempt something some people would say is sacrilegious. We have a microchef grill, we have a microwave, we have some seasonings, and a rump steak. First thing we do is open your microwave, grab your machine with your lid on, and we're going to preheat this for, say, about 4.5 minutes. Right, we will come back when this is preheated. While this is preheating, we can season our steak. We're going to go over to Chris now, the chef.
Hey up. Right, so we'll start with a little drizzle of oil. Rub that on a bit. A little bit of oil we've used there.
Ooh, that's nice juice.
Aye. Get that rubbed in. Just quickly rinse my hand.
It's a nice piece of steak, that is.
Aye. Bit of salt. Bit of pepper. A little bit of garlic salt.
Just a touch.
Flip. Do it again. Some salt. Bit of black pepper.
Little touch more garlic salt because there wasn't much left.
No, tiny bit of garlic salt. Leave it to rest.
We'll let that sit for the remaining time of 2 minutes and 16 seconds, and we will be back when this is preheated. Right, the microwave has gone ping. As you can see, the sides of this, you can lift it with one hand. It's not hot at all. So we put that down. Ready for the fun bit, Chris?
Yeah, man.
Oh, that's what we want to hear. Lovely and sizzle. If you look, we have grill on the lid. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the lid on and we're going to put it back in the microwave for 3 minutes and then we're going to flip it. Well, 3:30. That's 3:30. We'll do 3:30 and then we'll take it out and flip it over and see how we're doing. Back in 3:30. 2, 1. Right. We are pinging.
She's steamy.
Watch out for the steam. Ooh. Right. Let's take a look after 3 minutes. Ooh. Chris, over to you for the honours.
She looks lovely there.
She does look good.
Get her in that oil a little bit. Get that oil moved around the pan.
How's she feeling after 3 minutes?
That medium rare.
Already?
Yeah.
Would you like to try a little cut into her, maybe?
Yeah.
Already?
Yeah.
I'm not sure myself. I'm thinking possibly another
So
couple of
this
minutes.
is 3.5 minutes, yeah?
Well, I'll swap sides with you, Chris.
Oh yeah, sorry, I do apologise,
So-
I'm cack-handed.
So then we can see it with some light. Let's have a go.
It's a nice little slit. Just a nice shallow one.
I don't think myself that'll be done.
She's about medium rare.
It is about medium rare. Shall we let that rest?
We'll let that rest and come back to it.
Yeah, we'll give this 5 minutes to rest, or a couple of minutes to rest, and we will cut in better. Right, back in a couple. Right, while it's resting, we thought, why not? Let's deglaze with some butter, because it's still boiling hot inside this pan. And then we can baste it over.
And then,
yeah, put your lid on a second.
Just not excuse the heat from the lid.
Mm-hmm. A microwave steak. There we go. Careful not to scrape the bottom.
Aye. Just slowly moving her around. Getting all that font up. A little bit more butter. That's why I can baste the steak.
You can have some fun basting in a minute.
Yeah.
She does look good.
She does.
Scarily.
Aye. Tell you what, she cools down at a decent speed.
Use the spatulas so it's not scraping.
Yeah, that'll do. Where are they?
There. Oh, that fun to it. You can always throw that in the mic for 10 seconds to reheat it, you know.
Oh, if we're going to do that.
You don't need more really.
Not a lot more. Just that. It's going to lose some moisture in it. So.
Yeah, true, true. Oh, go on.
Put the lid on.
10 seconds, lock it in. Let's get it sizzling and then we can throw it over our steak. Oh,
Not a lot of bleed on her. I reckon baste it.
that should do it.
There we go. Nicely melted.
That looks good.
Just let the butter do its job for a minute.
Pour that over. Get your juices back in.
There we go.
We're done. Let's say couple of minutes, and then we will show you the carve. Right, a couple of minutes have passed. It's time to get the baby out. Let's have a look. Let's get her on that board.
She looks good.
We have a microwave steak.
Right. You got a fork?
I have a fork.
Just off the end first. Okay. So I'd say this is more like high and medium from there, but keep going. Right, okay. Centre.
Oh, look at that.
medium steak.
In a microwave. In what, 6 minutes?
Something like that.
No, 3 minutes.
Yeah. 5 minutes with resting.
We did 4 minutes. Yeah, 4 minutes preheat.
Yep. 3.5.
3.5 minutes cooking.
Pulled it out.
Rested, basted.
Yeah.
And look how juicy that is.
I mean, if I grab this.
Look at that.
It's just puddling.
And that's been cooked in the Micro Chef grill.
Time for the verdict, isn't it?
It's time for the taste test.
So I reckon we start with a little bit of the more well done ones here and then we work our ways in.
Well, I'm holding the camera, so you're going to have to put a piece for me. Look at that. Look at that juice inside that steak.
Right.
You ready?
Cheers.
Cheers, cheers.
Not bad. The fat's a bit chewy. The fat hasn't rendered that well, but the rest of it's quite nice.
The fat hasn't rendered down. But,
That was at the cat where the fat
God, that's good steak.
Let's go a bit further in, shall we?
Depending on how you like your steak, obviously, if you want it a bit more well done than this.
Hello.
Ooh. Look at that beauty.
Right, okay. We go from here. For yourself?
Cut it up into smaller pieces because I need to give Shell some as well. I think she deserves a little taste of this Micro Chef.
Aye.
As you can tell, it cuts like butter. Look at that steak.
Cheers.
Dink.
That's good.
Oh, man.
That's good.
Oh, now you're talking.
Boom.
That is incredible steak, guys.
For this, I'd maybe do it for 3 minutes.
3 minutes. Oh, wow. Right, we're going to wrap this video up. And definitely scoff that steak. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. I also have other kitchen gadgets, such as the Pressure King Pros. If anyone's got any recipes you want me to do, or anything you'd like to see me do in this Micro Chef grill, please leave a comment at the bottom and I will read through. Thanks very much. See you guys again soon. Bye bye.